to our identities without a second thought. Remember George Orwell's 1984? A world constantly watched by Big Brother? That dystopian future might be closer than we think. Facial recognition technology has the potential to turn our cities into surveillance states. Governments and law enforcement agencies are increasingly using this technology for everything from identifying suspects to tracking protesters. Imagine a world where every step you take is monitored, analyzed, and used to predict your behavior. That's the potential reality of mass surveillance enabled by facial recognition. This technology can be used to stifle dissent, target specific individuals or groups, and erode our fundamental right to privacy. The chilling effect on free speech and assembly is undeniable. When people are afraid of being watched and punished for expressing their views, democracy suffers. It creates a climate of fear and self-censorship. We need to ask ourselves, at what cost security? Are we willing to sacrifice our fundamental freedoms in the name of safety? The erosion of privacy is a slippery slope, and once we start down that path, it's hard to turn back. Here's a scary thought. What if the technology watching us is inherently biased? Unfortunately, facial recognition systems are not immune to the prejudices that plague our society. These systems are trained on massive data sets of faces, and if those data sets are skewed or incomplete, the results can be discriminatory. Studies have shown that facial recognition algorithms are more likely to misidentify people of color, women, and other marginalized groups. This can have serious consequences, leading to wrongful arrests, profiling, and a perpetuation of systemic biases. Imagine being misidentified by a facial recognition system and facing false accusations. It's not just a hypothetical scenario, it's already happening. The consequences can be devastating, ranging from wrongful arrest to being unfairly targeted by law enforcement. We need to demand accountability and transparency from the companies and institutions developing and deploying these systems. Biased algorithms can have real-world consequences, and we cannot allow discrimination to be hard-coded into the technologies that govern our lives.